Have you ever wondered how computers talk to each other? It's like magic, right? Data flying through the air, traveling across continents in the blink of an eye. Well, it's not magic, it's the magic of networking. And just like a delicious layer cake, networks have layers too. We call this the OSI model. OSI stands for Open Systems Interconnection. It sounds complicated, but don't worry, we're going to break it down together, layer by delicious layer. Each layer has a specific job to do in getting your cat videos, emails, and video game data where they need to go. It's a team effort, and every layer is crucial. So, buckle up, grab your metaphorical fork, and let's dig in. The physical layer is the foundation of our network layer cake. This is where we deal with the raw bits, the ones and zeros that computers use to communicate. Think of it like the physical road connecting two cities. This layer takes care of the physical connection between devices. This includes things like cables, like those Ethernet cables you plug into your computer, connectors, the plugs on the end of those cables, wireless signals like the Wi-Fi that lets you use your tablet on the couch, and electricity or light, the actual signals that carry the data. The physical layer doesn't care about the meaning of the data. It just moves it along like a dedicated mail carrier, delivering letters without reading them. Now that we have our physical connection, we need to start organizing the data. This is where the data link layer comes in. Think of it as a bridge that divides the road into lanes and directs traffic. The data link layer packages data into frames and adds information like source and destination MAC addresses, like physical addresses for your network devices, and error detection and correction, ensuring the data arrives without mistakes. This layer makes sure data is delivered to the right device on the network and handles any errors that might occur along the way. It's like making sure your letter gets to the right mailbox and is in good condition when it arrives. Section 4, Layer 3, the network layer, your friendly neighborhood router. We've got our data packaged and delivered to the right device on the local network. But what if we want to send data across the internet? That's where the network layer steps in. Think of it as a GPS system that helps data navigate a complex network. The network layer uses IP addresses like street addresses for computers and routers to determine the best path for data to travel and forward data packets across different networks. This layer is responsible for routing traffic across the internet, like a postal service sorting mail and sending it to the correct destination country. Section 5, Layer 4, the transport layer, ensuring your message gets through. The transport layer is like a reliable courier service that ensures your package arrives safely and in order. It provides a connection between applications running on different devices. Key functions of the transport layer include segmentation and reassembly, breaking data into smaller pieces for efficient transmission and putting them back together at the destination. It also handles flow control, managing the rate of data transfer to prevent network congestion, and error control, ensuring data arrives without errors, even if it needs to be retransmitted. Think of this layer as making sure your online order arrives complete and in the right order, even if some parts of it get delayed along the way.